I just got this protein today. It's an organic protein with greens. You know, I had to try it out. 5, 6 cubes in there. Organic almond milk. And now, you put a banana in. It's so stupid. Did you know that you just put a banana? You sick son of a... Now, you look for the scooper, Cooper. Oh, there it is. Let's check it out. It looks a little scary. Don't want that in my shake.
Looks tasty.
Little heaper for the little shaky poo. Here's the magic. And we're ready. I am scared to drink this because I have never tried this. Really good. It almost has the consistency of freaking pudding. Let's try that again. Add a little more milk. What? I don't know what this protein powder. It's like gooey, like.
Am I not gonna like it?
You can tell by the way it slurps, like, that is not good protein. Hold on. I feel like there's protein in my mouth every time.
Alright, Elizabeth is gonna try this very sludgy protein shake.
Oh, just try it. It's healthy.
Oh, that case is
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just so you know, this is a new protein. I usually make bomb protein shakes. Giving it a shot, and she loves it. Oh, she couldn't have a better protein shake. That's a no.
Can I have the chocolate one?
And we got a no from the judges. Now, cooking lesson from Chef Coupel.
You're so embarrassing.
It's the clam chowder. It's the avocado and the tomato.
Can if you want. I think it's too hard. Like he's stop.
You gotta twist it.
Right. Oh my god. It's okay. Practice makes perfect.
Like this. Let me show you. That's how it's done, Coop. Hey, quit hacking away at it. You just go like this. Straight chefing it. Are you happy? I don't know. Last time I checked, people smile when they're happy. Let's see a legit smile. Look, let's compare it. Was that a real smile?
Hi, I'm happy now. So basically what I did the chicken is I flip it around, try to get it on its other side so it doesn't burn just one side.
The first thing you gotta do is eat right. It starts with what you eat. Fresh stuff here. Another important thing is meal prep. Prep your lunch for the next day so you don't end up going and getting like 5 tacos at lunchtime and then you feel like you don't want to work the rest of the day. I've done it before. If you're having tacos, I always suggest queso fresco because it's the best. Crumble that baby up. You don't have to be 100% healthy. I'm gonna show you how to make salad super quick. Kitchen shears are my best freaking friend. Just squeeze it tight. Don't say it.
That's what she said.
Ow! Oh my! And then, of course, we're gonna wash it since I got my salad spinner. This thing is also my best friend. My friends are all kitchen appliances and tools. Because I really like to eat and they help me do that. So, I'll introduce you to the fork and spoon later. If you're gonna have lettuce, I highly recommend spinach, green leaf, red leaf, romaine. You know, don't go for that iceberg crap because that is not good. And then you rinse your lettuce. Come get a close up of this.
That's what she said.
Cooper. Then you do a little shake. Then you throw it in the handy dandy salad spinner. Hey! This thing is freaking awesome.
I want to do it.
Do it, Coop.
Okay.
You spin me right round, Cooper, right round on the salad spinner, right round, right round. I want taco.
Will you shut up?
And you'll never guess I got it from Ross. Alright, we're gonna start off with dropping a little chicken on here. Lettuce. You can put as much as you want on there. I go a little heavy on the lettuce for obvious reasons. Take some tomato. Yum. Queso fresco. Money. And that's a little heavy on it, but you know, I just ran a couple miles, so we're good. Super did an amazing job here. Boom. This is just what I got right now. Now we eat. Hey, Seasick here. Go ahead and follow me on social media. Also check out my Seasick Music YouTube channel. Hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get updates on the newest episodes and my latest music. Also, leave a comment below. See you guys next time.